Welcome to this video on aerobic respiration. Air respiration, or ventilation, is the rhythmic process of inhaling oxygen and exhaling carbon dioxide to support cellular metabolism. Gas exchange occurs in the alveoli, powered by diffusion. The process of respiration involves air traveling through the nose/mouth, trachea, bronchi, and bronchioles into the alveoli. This two-stage physical process is driven by pressure changes, relying on the diaphragm and intercostal muscles. Inhalation is an active, energy-requiring phase. The diaphragm contracts and flattens, and the external intercostal muscles lift the ribs. This increases chest cavity volume, reducing lung pressure and drawing air in. Exhalation during quiet breathing is a passive process. The diaphragm relaxes and moves upward, decreasing the volume of the lungs and increasing pressure. This forces air out. Oxygen transport relies on red blood cells packed with hemoglobin. Hemoglobin binds oxygen in the lungs and releases it in tissues, where partial pressure is lower. Oxygenated blood travels from the lungs to the left heart and the body. Gas exchange is the process where oxygen moves from alveoli to blood, and carbon dioxide moves from blood to alveoli. This is driven by passive diffusion along concentration gradients in the alveoli. Oxygen partial pressure drives the diffusion of gases. High PO2 in the alveoli pushes oxygen into the pulmonary capillaries. Conversely, high PCO2 in the blood drives carbon dioxide into the alveoli. The Krebs cycle, or citric acid cycle, occurs in the mitochondria. Its purpose is to generate energy, ATP, and reduced coenzymes for the electron transport chain, converting carbohydrates, fats, and proteins into energy. Cellular respiration continuously breaks down glucose to release energy in all living organisms. It primarily occurs in the cytoplasm and mitochondria, with stages like glycolysis, the Krebs cycle, and oxidative phosphorylation producing ATP. Carbon dioxide transport involves 3 steps: production in tissues, transport in the bloodstream as bicarbonate ions, carbaminohemoglobin and dissolved in plasma, and finally exchange in the lungs where CO2 is exhaled. Thank you for watching this video.